Hello, in this video, I will show you how to use special values in your custom calculations in Clarity. It is possible to add user columns to the results table to perform the calculations. Go to the Add User Column dialog by selecting it in the local menu. In the user column, you can utilize special values related to the selected column. For example, the special value sum will sum all values in the column, or the special value first takes value from the first peak in the result table. In our case, we will use a compound to select the retention time of a specified compound to calculate the relative retention time. Fill in the title. Calculating total does not make sense in this example. The expression is as follows: retention time divided by the retention time of the relevant compound, in this case, NAP. And that's it. Click OK to save the column. The column is added to the result table. The content of user columns is stored in the desktop file, which is associated with the user account. Thank you for your attention. For more videos, check our YouTube channel.